Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to build a proximity alert system project using the ultrasonic sensor and the Arduino Uno. So if the distance is less than a certain value, the buzzer will beep, right? And there is a LED also, you can see, it will also glow. Okay, so let's start building this project. Now let us place this ultrasonic sensor on the breadboard, right? And this is a voltage regulator. Basically it has three terminals. The left flag is for the input, middle one is for the ground, and right one is for the output. So it outputs regulated 5 volt supply. So let us connect it here. Okay, and this is the red LED, which is obviously for the alert system. So this is the negative leg and this is the positive leg. So connect the negative leg on the negative terminal on the breadboard and positive leg on the other side. Okay, in this way. Now let us connect the wires of the ultrasonic sensor. And this fourth wire will be for the ground, right? You can see the blue wire is for the VCC, green wire is for the trig, yellow is for the echo, and GND is for this one, gray wire, right? And now let us connect the output of the voltage regulator. So right leg is for the VCC, that means output, and middle one is for the ground. So this brown wire will be used for ground, right? So connect brown wire with the negative leg on the voltage regulator, like in this way. Okay, and red wire will be go into the positive rail of the breadboard, and brown wire will be in the negative rail of the breadboard, right? And now let us connect the wires of this ultrasonic sensor with the Arduino. So blue is for the positive, so let us connect it in the breadboard of the positive rail, and green is for the trig, so it will be go into something like pin number 4, right? And this will be pin number 5. Okay, trig in the pin number 4 and echo in the pin number 5. Now let us connect the LED. So the positive leg of the LED will be connected to pin number, suppose 2. Okay, and now let us connect the buzzer. So this is the negative leg which will be go into the ground. So this is the ground pin of the Arduino, and this is the positive terminal which will go into something like pin number 8, right? So buzzer has been connected. Now let us connect the common ground of Arduino and the battery supply. So this is the negative rail of the breadboard, and this is the ground of the Arduino Uno, right? And now let us power supply the Arduino. So connect the positive terminal of the breadboard with the V in. This is the V in, right? This is. So now all the connection have been done, right? This is the ground of the ultrasonic sensor. Now let us connect the battery. So black wire is the ground or the negative terminal of the battery, which will go into the middle pin of the voltage regulator, and blue wire is for the positive terminal, which will go into the left terminal of the voltage regulator. So now you can see the circuit has been on. Now let us try to upload the code and let's see what will happen. So this is the program for our proximity alert system project. In this I am defining 4 pins: trig, echo, buzzer and LED. And duration is the time taken to send the ultrasonic waves plus time taken to receive the ultrasonic waves when they are reflected from an obstacle. In the setup function I am defining the mode of the trig, echo and buzzer pins as output, input and output respectively, right? And initially I am writing low signal to the LED and buzzer. And in the loop function I am initially clearing the trig pin, that is I am writing low signal. And after a delay of 2 microseconds I am starting the 10 microsecond pulse to trigger the ultrasonic sensor, right? You can see I am writing high signal to the trig pin, and after some microsecond delay I am again writing low signal to the trig pin. That means I am stopping the trig pin. And this is a function pulse in, which measures the how long the echo pin was high. Okay, so pulse in returns the duration, that means time in microsecond. So this is a program for the proximity alert system project. In this I am defining 4 pins: trig, echo, buzzer and LED. and duration is the time taken to send the ultrasonic waves plus time taken to receive the ultrasonic waves when they are reflected from an obstacle. And in the setup function, I'm defining the mode of the trig, echo, and buzzer pins as output, input, and output. And initially, I'm writing low signal to the LED and buzzer. Okay. And in the loop function, I'm writing the low signal to the trig pin initially to clear the trig pin. Okay. And after a 2 microsecond delay, I'm initiating the ultrasonic waves. You can see I'm writing high signal to the trig pin. And after sending the ultrasonic waves, again I'm writing low signal to the trig pin. And pulse in is the function which measures for how long the echo pin was held. Okay. So pulse in returns the time taken in microsecond. You can see this is a unit called microsecond. Okay. And we are storing that time in the duration variable. And here we are calculating the distance. You can see I am taking the speed of sound as 340 meter per second. So pulse in returns the time in microsecond. That is why we need to convert this unit into centimeter per microsecond. So the value will be 0.034 centimeter per microsecond. And I'm dividing by 2 because we need only one way time taken, not two way, right? And if the distance is less than 6 centimeter, you can see that unit of the distance variable is centimeter, right? So if distance is less than 6 centimeter, we are initiating the LED and the buzzer. That means we are writing high signal to the LED and buzzer. Otherwise, if the distance is greater than or equal to 6 centimeter, we are writing low signal to the LED and buzzer. Okay. So this is the demonstration of the program that we have uploaded in the Arduino. Okay. If the distance is less than 6 centimeter, the LED and the buzzer will beep. Right. So the code is working fine. So if you have any doubt regarding this project, you can comment down below. I will try to answer that. So we will meet in the another video with new topic. Till then, goodbye.